In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect using Teamviewer Host, a simple and effective way to access remote devices. Whether you're providing tech support or need to connect to another machine, these steps will guide you through setting up and using Teamviewer Host in just a few minutes. To kick things off, we need to ensure we have the Teamviewer Host application installed. So, open up your preferred web browser and type Teamviewer Download into the search bar. This will bring up a link to the official Teamviewer download page, usually the first link that appears. Once you're there, look closely for a section or a link that says something like, "Visit our download portal for additional downloads." Click on this, as it will take you to a comprehensive list of available downloads where you should find the specific option for Teamviewer Host. Choose this option and proceed with the download and installation process. Now that we've got Teamviewer Host on board, it's time to launch the application. You'll want to do this on both the device you wish to control, known as the remote device, and the device you are using to make the connection, known as the local device. This ensures both ends of the connection are ready for remote access. Next up, within the application, make your way to the Remote Support feature. This is where the magic happens. To gain access to someone else's machine, you'll need to add their ID in the space provided under the Remote Control tab. This ID is crucial, as it acts as a unique identifier for the device you're trying to connect to. Once you've entered the correct ID, press the Connect button. You'll be prompted to enter a password at this stage. This password should have been shared with you by the individual who owns or has access to the remote device. Enter it carefully to ensure you connect successfully. In some cases, if easy access isn't enabled on the remote device, the person on that end will need to manually grant you permission for the connection to be established. This step is vital for security reasons, allowing the remote user to control who can access their device and when. And that's it. You've successfully set up and connected using Teamviewer Host. This setup enables you to provide support, collaborate remotely, or simply access your own devices from afar. Remember, remote connectivity can save time and make a world of difference, especially when assistance from afar is all that's needed. With these steps, you should confidently be able to utilize Teamviewer's robust features. Thank you for watching, and happy connecting.